hello everyone, I'm Debolina ma'am from Edu Arena, and today our topic is about floods. Okay, we will discuss about how flood occur. We will discuss about the causes of flood. Okay, we will go in detail about the causes of flood, and we will also learn and know about the consequences of flood. Okay, after flood what happens? Okay, so first let us know how does flood occur. Okay, or what is flood? So see, excessive rainfall results in flood. Okay, when there is excessive rainfall, it results into flood. Now, how does excessive rainfall results into flood? Let's discuss it in detail. Okay, so see, heavy rainfall causes the flood level of the rivers and dams to rise. Okay, when there is heavy rainfall, or just imagine if there is continuously it is raining for 2 to 3 days, then what will happen? The water, or you can say the rainfall water, it will rise the level of the rivers and dams. Okay, and when the level of the rivers and dams will rise, then what will happen? Yes, then the water will come out of the river and it will cause flood. Okay, so I'll show you. So I hope you can see what happens. See, the water comes out of the rivers and it causes flood. Okay, when the water level rises. Okay, now you see, for example, if this is the level, okay, if this is the level of the river, and after excessive rainfall what will happen? You see, I'm just showing you, the level will rise. Okay, if this is the original level, then after excessive rainfall, if the level of the water it rises, okay, then what will happen? The water will come out of the sea, okay, and it will cause flood. Okay, so I hope you could see I draw two levels. Yes, so what happens when there is excessive rainfall, okay, then what happens? The the level of the rivers or the level of the the dams, it get raised. Okay, and then what happened? The water, it comes out of the river and ultimately it causes flood. Okay, okay, I hope you can see. Yes, if I stand between, you will not be able to see anything, so I'm not there. See, causes of flood. So the very first point we have, that is global warming. So what happens when there is global warming? When there is global warming, you see, the temperature rises. Yes, the temperature rises, and ultimately when the temperature rises, then what will happen? The ice will melt. Yes, and when the ice melts, water comes out of it. Yes, and that the water will go into the sea. Okay, the water will go into the sea. Then you see what happens. After the water goes into the sea, the water rises the sea level. Okay, the water will rise the sea level and make the river level also high. Okay, it will rise the sea level and it will also make the river level high, and when the river levels are also high, then what will happen? The water will come out. So the water will come out and ultimately it will cause flood. Okay, ultimately it will cause flood. Okay, then one more cause we have, that is deforestation. Okay, so what do you mean by deforestation? Cutting down of trees. Yes, cutting down of trees is your deforestation. So what happened when we cut all the trees, and if there is no trees left, then who will soak the water? Nobody will be there to soak the water, and ultimately it will cause flood. Okay, so see, deforestation is one of the prime reason of flood, and that is why deforestation is one of the prime reasons of flood, because if there are no trees, then who will soak the water? Okay, and if the water is not soaked, then what will happen? Yes, then what will happen? Then then flood will occur, because there is nobody to soak the water. Next we have, overcultivation. Okay, what happens? Overcultivation, it reduces the fertility of the soil. Okay, when the fertility of the soil get reduced, then what will happen? The land becomes barren. The land will become barren. Thus, what will happen? Thus, it cannot hold water, and when the land will become barren, it will not be able to hold water. Okay, then one more cause of flood, you can say that is, about the population. Yes, excessive population is also one of the cause of flood. Okay. Okay, so now we will discuss about the consequences of flood. Okay. I think you might wonder that where is ma'am? I'm here only, but just that you can see the points clearly. I'm not standing between. Okay. So see, the first consequences of flood is that it is about destruction of buildings. Okay. So see, the houses, or you can say the buildings, they get damaged due to flood. Okay. And the light weighted houses, which are very light in weight, they get washed away with water when there is flood. Okay. And sometimes it get washed away, and sometimes you can say the buildings and all, it breakdowns also because of flood. Next we have loss of life. So see, loss of lives also occur due to floods. Okay, people also die due to floods. Okay. Then we have diseases. So what are the disease that we have to face? Okay. We have to face diseases such as malaria, cholera, then viral infection, then jaundice. All these diseases can occur, or you can say we have to face these diseases if there is flood. Okay, so these are the, you can say, the consequences of flood. Okay. So thank you everyone. I hope you all have understood, and if you have any doubt then please comment and tell me. Okay. Thank you.